What's going on, all you beautiful people? My name is Dylan and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have another football video for you. This one is top 10 firecrackers, bomb and grenades at players in football. I don't know if I'm going to say if I'm looking forward to this, because I'm surely not. But anyway, guys, if you are, hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel down below, be much appreciated. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Let's go. Cheers. Oi, 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 oi! Damn! That was close, dude. Dude, that was so close, man. Wow, that was so close, dude. Wow, man. Oi, what happened there? I was looking the other way. Smoke grenade, dang. What happened there? Dang. Oh, they hit the goalie, bruh! Damn. Dude, that connected with the goalie big time, man. Wow. That freaking would have bloody hurt, bro. Wow, that was so silly by the fan, man. Oi. Don't touch it, bro. Don't touch it. Damn, why are you touching that, man? That's a rivalry and a half, man. Czech Republic versus Croatia. Damn, that blew up in that poor man's face. Come on, man. What the heck, dude? Why are some people so stupid, man? Dude, that was lucky, bro. Wow, he's lucky he threw that quickly, man. Some people are bloody idiots, I swear. Wow, dude! Oh, man! That was freaking lucky, man. Wow, that was freaking lucky. That was freaking lucky. Oh, yeah, the bombs that happen in France, man.
3 people have died and several more have been injured following
that sucks, man.
at the Stade de France in Paris. The blast was heard during a friendly between France and Germany at the National Stadium in Paris. Police later confirmed there were 3 simultaneous bombings, including 2 suicide attacks near the stadium. The blast occurred near 2 of the stadium entrances and at a nearby McDonald's restaurant.
Man, that freaking sucks. Seriously, it really does. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, well, if you like this video and want me to react more to football videos, guys, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel down below, guys, if you're thinking about it. Please do, it'd be much appreciated. And until next time, I will speak to every single one of you beautiful people later. Goodbye.
Crack it.